Hey guys, it's Mark with Hallmark Pool Supplies, and I'd like to share with you a little tip in this video in regards to protecting or preserving your multiport. Now, most filter systems are outside, and when these systems are outside, they are exposed to elements of the weather, the rain, the sun, and so forth. So when we look at these valves, you can see these are older valves that were on systems. They're wore out, the labels are unreadable. When we go to turn these, you can even hear it. It's just dry, it doesn't want to turn well. And so what we want to do is we want to protect that. And so what I've done is on my pool as well as several other pools, I have taken a bucket, and we start off with a bucket like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to place it over this. Now, of course, this is not fitting. So what I have done is I've taken a bucket like this, and once we've got that on there, we've marked it. I went ahead and cut out where the plumbing lines are. Kind of just did my own little retrofit. This will sit right over nicely. And now we've got that on the multiport, protecting it from elements of the weather. In no means, by putting a bucket on here, am I telling you that you never have to service the valve. You will eventually service it. You just won't service it as much. And years down the road, when we remove this, everything is still like new. It's legible. You can read it. Everything works properly. So this is just a little tip just to share with you guys. Like I said, I've done this on a lot of pools. I've done it on my own pool, and it works very well. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. So consider it the tip of the day. I do appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like and subscribe button for future content. Remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies. My name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.